how to use the Fetch Rewards app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use the Fetch Rewards app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use the Fetch Rewards app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all download the Fetch Rewards application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've done that, you can simply open the Fetch Rewards app here, and then you're going to see this type of interface. Now first thing you can try to do is simply log in with your phone number or your Google account or your Facebook account or your Apple ID, depending upon what is it that is more comfortable for you. Just go ahead and make sure to log in, then tap on the continue button. After that, you will be able to see all of the rewards and the interfaces of the Fetch Rewards application, and accordingly use the Fetch Reward app in that way. This way you can use the Fetch Rewards app. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.